Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook party fried rice that will not get sticky or soured before the party is over, and how to get rid of frozen smell and taste from your chicken. You know our chickens are stored in the cold room. And then how to prepare your fried rice sauce that will remain greenish till the party is over. So everyone, let's dive into today's tutorial. First, I'll get a very good bowl, pour my chicken inside and give it a proper wash. So while this is going on, I'll put water on fire. Then transfer the chicken into another bowl after giving it a good wash. Then when the water gets hot, I'll add the water into the chicken. I'll add the water into the chicken till it covers the chicken properly, exactly what you see on the screen. Next, I will cover it for 10 good minutes. After covering it for 10 good minutes, I will pour the water away. You notice the color of the water. You know that our chickens are stored in the cold room, so it always have that frozen taste. So next, I'll continue to give the chicken a proper wash. After giving it another good rinse, I'll pour it inside a very clean pot. So next, I'm going to marinate this chicken. So here are the ingredients I need. I need chopped onions, ginger, curry powder, seasoning, salt, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. I will blend all of this together to marinate the chicken and give it a very nice taste. Next, I will add chopped onions, thyme, curry powder to taste. I will add salt to taste. I will add seasoning to taste. Next, I will add the already blended ingredients together. Then get a desirable spoon or stick and stir it together until it combines. Then I'll cover it and put it in the freezer for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I will transfer the chicken inside a good bowl, a good pot, add chopped onions and put it to cook. While that is on fire, here are the ingredients for the fried rice. I have freshly chopped spring onions, carrots, green beans, green pepper, green peas. I have fried gizzard. It is cooked, fried and diced into smaller sizes. I have liver. It is cooked, fried and diced into smaller sizes as well. So this fried rice is going to be yummy. I have Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, ginger, thyme, garlic, sweet corn, salt to taste, onions to fry the sauce, seasoning to taste. Wow, this our fried rice is going to be yummy, everyone. So continue watching. Next, I will check the chicken. So our chicken is properly cooked. So I'm going to transfer it into a strainer. Then the water, I will strain it. I will use a very good strainer to strain the water. I don't want the chicken particles inside my fried rice, everyone. So that is where I'm going to strain it. I need the water. So next, I'll add thyme. After straining the water and put it inside on fire, I will strain it, put it on fire, then add curry, salt, thyme, seasoning, and cover it for 10 minutes. Then while that is on fire, I'll wash the rice. I'm using 60 cups of rice because we are cooking for 70 persons. Remember, it is party fried rice we are cooking. Party fried rice that will not get sticky, sour, that will remain greenish till party is over, everyone. Continue watching to learn how I cook this. So when the water gets hot, the next thing I will add my already washed rice. I'll add it step by step into the chicken stock on fire. Then after adding it all, I will cover it to cook for 30 minutes. So while that is on fire, I will prepare the chicken to be fried. So I'll add my vegetable oil. When it gets hot, I'll add the chopped onions to taste for the chicken. Doing this gives a very nice taste to your chicken. Adding chopped onions into your vegetable oil before frying the chicken gives it a very nice taste. If you've not tried it, please give it a try and give me your feedback at the comment section down below. So I'll add the chicken to fry. So everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. So our chicken is ready. I'm going to pepper this, but I won't show you how I pepper this. If you want to learn how I pepper this, click the link down below to watch how to pepper your chicken. So next, I'll check the rice to know if it is ready. So you notice our rice is coming out on a very beautiful color. I did not add any artificial color. This is a very natural color. I will tell you how I get this color on my next video on how to cook fried rice. So I will check to know if it is properly cooked. Well, I will add more water because it's still very strong. Add water and cover it to cook. So while this continues to cook, next I'm going to add vegetable oil on a clean pot for the frying of the fried rice sauce. After that, I add chopped onions and fried it for 1 minute. Doing this gives the sauce a very nice taste. Next, I will add my freshly chopped carrots and green pea, green beans. I will add spring onions, freshly chopped spring onions. Then my freshly chopped green pepper, cabbage, that is if you like it, red bell pepper. Wow, this is coming out very colorful. Then my fried gizzard, the liver. Remember, this is vegetable. It doesn't need much heat to fry it. So next, I added curry powder to taste. Then I will add seasoning to taste. And then continue to stir this. I'm going to stir it for 1 good minute. Stir this on a very low heat for 1 minute. So while that is going on, let's check our rice. Well, the rice is already cooked. You notice the color even without the veggies. It's very attractive. So I'll pull this off from the fire and then continue to fry the sauce. So next, I will add the remaining veggies, the green pepper, the spring onions. I'll add everything. Then more curry to taste. I will add salt to taste, seasoning to taste, and continue to stir for another minute. 1 more minute. Veggies don't need more heat to cook, remember. Okay, so I'm cooking this, I'm frying this on a very low heat. And when you fry your veggies like this, it's remain greenish till the party is over. Then I'll add Sweet corn. Sweet corn is very soft, so I always add it last among the veggies. So continue to stir it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, our veggies is ready. Next, I will start adding the rice bit by bit and stir it. When you fry this rice this method, it keeps your rice it keeps it very attractive, and your party fried rice will stand. It will not stick or sour. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and if you're new, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel, so stay connected always. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe. And thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support and all your comments and like. All the ingredients for today's tutorial will be at the description button down below. Stay safe, stay connected always. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.